Well, all right, and welcome back to Sweden once again, and welcome to Ljungbyhed Raceway. This is a cool track. This is an airport runway converted into a racing track. Today they're having a track day that I was hoping to participate, but it's a little overpriced for me, and I was hoping to get a half day, and even a half day is it's a little much. So anyway, no whining. I'm not going to do it, but I thought I'd show you around a little bit. I think it's an old airfield, military airfield. Half of it has been shut down, and the other half is still being used as a training facility, and a lot of gliders in and out of here. There's an aviation school. I think there's even a drone pilot school here. So, Anyway, and some news. I am not selling the Porsche. Took the car for what I thought was going to be my last drive, and I wanted my boy to drive the car before I sold it tomorrow. After driving it, well, I decided not to sell it. So the guy that was going to come and look at the car was very understanding. So no worries. We did some drone flying today too. I let my boy fly my drone while I drove the car. So take a look. Yeah, so my boy flew the drone nicely for his first time. Yeah, so really the only bad thing about this track is you really can't get close to it as a spectator. But it sure is fun to drive. It's got a good straightaway and some high-speed turns, and lots of runoff. If you go off, you're just gonna go for a ride in the grass, and been there, done that. I brought the Porsche here one time, so I don't get here very often. Not going to do the track day here. I think we're going to move on to Ring Knutstorp, where they're having it's the driving club, the Malmo Driving Club. They're having their last racing event of the year. So I thought we'd go check that out. And on occasion, they let you take your car out on track, like a mini track day for 20 minutes. So hopefully we'll be able to do that. But this is a great place. It's, like I said, it's by the airport. So there's some air traffic from time to time. I've done a slalom event here with the Porsche Club. You might be able to see it. There's something coned off over there behind me. And then did one track day with the Porsche here. But I'm really happy to be holding on to the Porsche. I'm glad. I know I would have regretted that. You know, it's not a fast car, but it's a beautiful car to look at, and it is a pleasure to drive. And it's fast enough, you know. Well, if you need to use the bathroom, apparently this is the public toilet. How about that? I'm tempted to climb up and get to the cockpit, but I don't even know if I'm supposed to be standing here. How nice is that? 15 minutes from one track to the other. We're here at Ring Knudstorp, Malmo, I don't know, MSCC, Malmo Sports Car Club. They're having their last event of the year, and behind me here they're having what they call Halkshoning, driving on ice simulation. Yeah, I'm afraid to fly the drone here. You know, if I fly the drone, I'm going to be down flying next to the cars trying to get the best footage I can and end up running into that bridge or hitting a car during the race. And yeah, it's just B-roll stuff anyway. So yeah, this should be, I think this is the last race of the day. We got here just in time to see something anyway. Just fun to be out driving the car. So I drove the Porsche today and this. Too bad I don't have a motorcycle. Well, that's it for me today. I think I'm going to call it a day, or call it a night, I should say. I just got out of the movie theater. I just saw Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. I went by myself. First time ever going to the theater by myself, I think. But I enjoyed it. Unusual movie, for sure. I enjoyed the close-ups, the characters, and the nostalgic props and locations. Good movie. So yeah, a bit unusual day. A day of mixed emotions. I am glad I'm going to keep the Porsche after all. But from Sweden, lost in Sweden. See you next time.